Hello guys, welcome back to literature classes. This is Abhilasha Yadav. Guys, today I am going to discuss the very important term that is indefinite pronouns. Guys, as you know that the pronoun series is going on this continuing series, I am going to discuss indefinite pronouns. The pronouns which shows the indefiniteness of person or indefiniteness of anything. So guys, indefinite pronouns, the kinds of indefinite pronouns, which are indefinite pronouns, how can we use these indefinite pronouns in the sentences? We'll learn all these things with the example. So without doing a further delay, let's get started this topic. So guys, what is indefinite pronouns? Guys, I told you that the indefinite pronouns shows the indefiniteness of any person, or you can say anything. Okay, so let's learn which pronouns are called indefinite pronouns. The pronouns which does not have any definiteness are indefinite pronouns. For example, or you can say these are indefinite pronouns: everybody, everyone; somebody, someone; anybody, anyone; nobody, no one; something, anything, everything, something, nothing; enough, little, and one. These words are called indefinite pronouns. But guys, these indefinite pronouns are singular indefinite pronouns, not plural indefinite pronouns. They are called singular third person indefinite pronouns. And which are the plural indefinite pronouns? So, both, few, many, several, other, and others. These are called plural pronouns. Okay? And there are some other pronouns which are used as singular pronouns or used as plural pronouns. These are all, some, more, none, and any. These are plural pronouns, or you can say singular, means these pronouns are used according to the situation, according to the sentences, according to the need of the sentence. They are used as all is used as plural, because all considers more than two person, more than two things. That's why these pronouns are called plural or singular, because they are used as need of the sentence. So guys, we have learned that these pronouns are called indefinite pronouns. But how can we use these words, these indefinite pronouns in the sentences? So let's learn it. So guys, everybody means everybody, everyone, somebody, someone. Everybody means pratyek. या हर कोई, you can say, या कोई भी. ओके, everyone, हर एक, कोई. ओके, everybody, see the sentence, everybody should obey his elders. Guys, as we know that everybody, everyone, these pronouns are called these pronouns are used as singular. Okay, in these pronouns we have to use, or you can say we have to apply a verb, that is singular verb. Okay, we can use, or we can apply with these words singular helping verb, or you can say singular auxiliary verb, like is, was, has, will, shall, they are will. Okay, these are singular verbs, singular helping verbs. These helping verbs are used with these words: everybody, everyone, etc. Okay, and with these words we have to use singular pronoun. Singular pronoun means his, her, it. Okay, why we can use these pronouns? Because these words shows the singular, these words are singular. These are singular pronouns, so we have to use, if we need to add any pronoun in these words, with these words in the sentences, so we have to use his, her, or it. See, everybody should obey his elders. So his is a singular pronoun. That's why we are using here his. Everybody should obey his elders. Everybody is singular. Okay, that's why pronoun is also singular. Next, everyone has his own ideas on the subject. Everybody has his own ideas. Guys, we are seeing here two things. First is singular auxiliary verb. Next is his, singular pronoun. Understand? इस सेंटेंस में हम लोग दो चीज़ें देख रहे हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग, हैज़, जो कि एक ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. इस सेंटेंस में सिंगुलर हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज हुई है, क्योंकि मैंने बताया एवरीबडी, एवरीवन, समबडी, समवन, एनीबडी, एनीवन, नोबडी, नो वन, समथिंग, नथिंग, एनीथिंग, एवरीथिंग, इनफ, लिटिल एंड वन. इन प्रोनाउंस के साथ, इन सिंगुलर इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउंस के साथ में अगर कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होगी तो वो कौन सी होगी? सिंगुलर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. एंड जो प्रोनाउन यूज होगा इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन, दैट विल बी his, that will be singular. Understood this? So everyone has his own ideas on the subject. Next, somebody has stolen my car. Somebody has, again this is singular helping verb. Why singular? Because this is also singular indefinite pronoun. Next, someone has stolen my car. Same sentence, but the indefinite pronoun is different, that is someone. Somebody, कोई भी, someone, कोई. Okay, कोई, but कोई एक. Someone means कोई एक. कोई एक भी कह सकते हैं, कोई भी कह सकते हैं. We don't know that it is plural or singular, but we can consider it as singular. That's why we are using a helping verb, that is has. It is singular helping verb. Next, did anybody help you? Did anybody help you? Did is a helping verb which is used with singular and plural both. But guys, you have not be confused that why ma'am has used this did. Did is singular and plural, means did is considered as singular and plural both. So we can use this did helping verb with both, either it is singular or plural. Okay guys, there is one sentence, everybody cannot be intelligent, can they? See guys, if there is question tag in the sentence, that time what should we do? This is indefinite singular pronoun. Everybody is indefinite singular pronoun. We have to use singular helping verb and also singular pronoun. But here I have used they, and they is plural pronoun. Okay, so don't be confused. Why? Because they is used because of question tag. मतलब जब किसी सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन टैग आता है तो वहाँ पे ये जो इंडेफिनिट सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस हैं उनके साथ में प्लूरल प्रोनाउन का यूज़ किया जाएगा। प्लूरल प्रोनाउन मीन्स दे का यूज़ किया जाएगा, ना कि ही, शी, इट का प्रयोग किया जाएगा। किसका प्रयोग किया जाएगा इनकी जगह पे? दे का प्रयोग किया जाएगा। ठीक है, क्योंकि हम इसको क्या कर लेंगे, प्लूरल कंसिडर करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे दे का यूज होगा। एवरीबडी कैन नॉट बी इंटेलिजेंट, कैन दे। ये अगर हम ये कर दें एवरीबडी कैन नॉट बी इंटेलिजेंट, कैन ही, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, सेंटेंस रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। तो हमें क्या करना है, एवरीबडी कैन नॉट बी इंटेलिजेंट, कैन दे। एवरीवन डज हिज वर्क, डोंट दे। या everyone does his work, don't he, तो don't he is wrong, everyone does his work, don't they. You can use don't they. Do is helping verb, that is plural. I am writing the sentence. Everyone does his work, don't they. It is wrong. If I write here don't he, so it is wrong. So everyone does his work, don't they. Why they? Because this is a interrogative word, or you can say there is a question tag added in the as a subject. Okay, next, anyone can win this prize. Anyone can win this prize. Here anyone means कोई भी, anyone means कोई भी can win this prize, इस प्राइज को जीत सकता है, ना कि जीत सकते हैं। Why? Because anyone is a indefinite singular pronoun. Okay, see guys, some other examples of indefinite pronouns. Nobody was there to save Radhika. Nobody was there to save Radhika. Was singular auxiliary verb. Nobody was there to save Radhika. Next, everything has its own limitation. Have everything is a indefinite singular word, and it is has is a singular auxiliary verb. Its is used because it is a thing denoting word. Its own limitation. Everything has its own limitation. सभी चीज़ों की अपनी एक लिमिट होती है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, शी हैज़ डन नथिंग फॉर मी. उसने मेरे लिए कुछ भी नहीं किया. शी हैज़ डन नथिंग मतलब कुछ भी नहीं. कुछ भी नहीं के सेंस में हम क्या लगाएंगे, नथिंग का यूज करेंगे. फॉर मी, मेरे लिए. शी हैज़ डन, हैज़, शी इज अ थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, प्रिया कैन डू एनीथिंग फॉर हर पेरेंट्स. प्रिया कैन डू एनीथिंग मतलब कुछ भी कर सकती है, कुछ भी. प्रिया कैन डू एनीथिंग. दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन. फॉर हर पेरेंट्स, अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए. कैन डू इज योर मेन वर्ब. ओके, नेक्स्ट, समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग. Something is better than nothing. Something is used here as subject of the sentence, and this is a singular indefinite pronoun. That's why singular helping verb, that is. Something is better than nothing. Next is 2000 rupees are enough for him. 2000 rupees are enough for him. 2000 rupees means this is plural word, and the helping verb is also plural, but this indefinite pronoun is singular. So why can we use plural verb, helping verb? Because guys, you know, enough is a word which is considered both plural or singular, and it is used as a need of the sentence. ठीक है, इनफ का जो यूज़ है वो हम कहीं भी कर सकते हैं, प्लूरल सेंस में भी और सिंगुलर सेंस में भी। तो इनफ का यूज़ कैसे करेंगे हम? 2000 रुपीज़ आर इनफ फॉर हिम, 2000 रुपये उसके लिए काफ़ी हैं। इनफ का यूज़ हम पर्याप्त के सेंस में, सफिशेंसी के सेंस में भी करते हैं, बहुत काफ़ी के सेंस में करते हैं, जितना चाहिए उतना के सेंस में करते हैं। ठीक है, आई हैव इनफ मिल्क टू ड्रिंक, मैं ऐसे भी कर सकती हूँ, ही हैज़ सेंट मी इनफ ऑफ द मिल्क। अब देखिए, ही हैज़ सेंट मी इनफ ऑफ द मिल्क टू ड्रिंक। अब ये क्या है? ये है हमारा सिंगुलर, हेल्पिंग वर्ब सिंगुलर यूज किया गया क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? सिंगुलर सेंस है, इसलिए हमने सिंगुलर हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाया है। तो इनफ कैन बी यूज्ड विथ प्लूरल सेंस और सिंगुलर सेंस। गेट दिस पॉइंट? नेक्स्ट, लिटिल इज नोन अबाउट हर ब्रदर, लिटिल इज नोन अबाउट हर ब्रदर, उसके भाई के बारे में बहुत कम पता है, बहुत थोड़ा पता है। ठीक है, मीन्स लिटिल इज यूज्ड विथ सिंगुलर हेल्पिंग वर्ब। नेक्स्ट, वी नो लिटिल अबाउट हर ब्रदर, वी नो लिटिल अबाउट हर ब्रदर। गाइज, लिटिल का यूज, लिटिल इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड एज एडजेक्टिव, नॉट एज प्रोनाउन। लिटिल इज मोस्टली यूज्ड एज एडजेक्टिव, थोड़ा, बहुत थोड़ा, अल्प मात्रा में। ठीक है, इस तरह से लिटिल का यूज किया था, आ लिटिल, द लिटिल एंड लिटिल। ठीक है, तो वी नो लिटिल अबाउट अ ब्रदर, हियर यूज लिटिल इज यूज्ड एज वी नो लिटिल अबाउट अ ब्रदर, एडजेक्टिव। ओके, नेक्स्ट, वन ऑफ माई फैमिली मेंबर हैज गॉन टू दिल्ली, वन ऑफ माई फैमिली मेंबर, मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स में से एक दिल्ली गया है, नॉट गए हैं। वन इज यूज्ड एज सिंगुलर इन द सेंटेंस। गाइज, वी हैव लर्न्ड द इंडेफिनिट सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस यूज। नाउ वी शुड लर्न हाउ टू यूज द प्लूरल इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउंस। ओके, सो see the example, both of you are invited for the party. I told you both, few, many, several and others. These are plural indefinite pronouns, plural indefinite third person pronoun. With these indefinite third person plural pronouns, we have to use helping verb like have, were, etc. Okay, and the pronouns like they, you, etc. Okay, see, both of you are invited for the party. Here both is plural, that's why helping verb is also plural. Next, few people are injured, few people, were injured, were is also a plural helping verb, that's why it is used with a word that is few. Few people were injured. Next, many were rewarded, many were rewarded, here it is, we have used plural helping verb. Why? Because this is plural indefinite pronoun, many. Next, several students of 6th class are absent, are absent, several, this is indefinite plural pronoun. So plural helping verb, plural helping verb. Okay, next, only Rohan can remain here, others may go, others may go, others is a indefinite plural pronoun. Okay, only Rohan can remain here, others may go, दूसरे जा सकते हैं, नॉट दूसरा जा सकता है, वी कैन नॉट से दूसरा जा सकता है, दूसरे जा सकते हैं, बाकी लोग जा सकते हैं। गेट दिस पॉइंट? गाइस, देयर आर सम अदर indefinite pronouns which are considered singular and plural both. They are used with singular or plural according to the need. Okay, like all, some, most, none or any. How can we use? See the example. All students are present in the class. All students. More than 2. We don't know 2, 3, 4, 5 or how many. Okay. So all students are present in the class. सारे students class में present हैं. That's why we are using all is considered as plural. So we can use here helping verb plural. Some students are absent in the class. कुछ students जो है class में absent हैं. कुछ means here also we don't know how much. Okay, that's why we can use here plural helping verb are. Next, most of the students are absent in the class. Most of the, बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब most of the students are absent in the class. This is also a plural word. That's why we are using here plural. Sentence is showing the plural sense. Next, none of the girl is absent today. None of the girl, कोई भी लड़की absent नहीं है. कोई भी लड़कियां नहीं बोल रहे, हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? कोई भी लड़की. तो कोई भी लड़की क्या है हमारा? सिंगुलर है. दैट्स वाई इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब का यूज क्यों किया गया है? क्योंकि कोई भी लड़की सिंगुलर सेंस शो कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो नन ऑफ द गर्ल इज एब्सेंट टुडे. नेक्स्ट, एनी ऑफ यू कैन परफॉर्म. एनी ऑफ यू, आप में से कोई भी परफॉर्म कर सकता है. एनी ऑफ यू, कोई भी मतलब वी डोंट नो इट इज सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. ओके, any of you can perform. Got this point? Guys, there is a word one. How can we use one? One is used as one in number. Okay, it is used with male gender, also female gender, and also with neuter gender. ओके, सो मेल जेंडर का जब आएगा सेंस तो हमें कौन से प्रोनाउन का यूज़ करना है? हमेशा सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन का यूज़ करना है. लाइक ही, हिम, हिज या हिमसेल्फ. ओके, फीमेल शोइंग होगा तो शी, हर, हरसेल्फ. शी, हर और हर सेल्फ का यूज करेंगे या हर्स भी कह सकते हैं. ओके, इफ इट इज न्यूटर जेंडर शोइंग सो इट्स एंड इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, वन का यूज वन इन नंबर के सेंस में होता है तो, और ये हमेशा क्या है? सिंगुलर है. तो हमें क्या करना है? ऑलवेज वी कैन यूज सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन. Like if it is male showing, so males में he, him, his, himself. If it is female, she, her, hers, herself. If it is neuter, it's itself. Like one of the girls, so we can use her or hers. One of the boy, so his or him. Neuter gender है अगर one of the books, so it's or it. Okay. So guys, I think all the points of indefinite pronoun would be clear to you. That's it for today. I'll meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.